Okay, so here they have the smoke alarms. Here's a open one. Not sure which one this is. Let me take it out. There's a can't figure it out. But you have a bunch of cider wells or Universal or whatever the hell. Then they have these carbon monoxide detectors. And then they have this. It's pretty cool. They have these universal carbon monoxide detectors. They also have a bunch of kitty detectors. A bunch of crap. Let's go look at the lights. And they have a bunch of extension cords and stuff. They have all this, all that. Home Depot has a bunch of stuff. But what I'm looking for is flow lights and smoke alarms. Security motion, right there. So, they have this Heath Zenith one. I really want Heath Zenith one right there. It's pretty cool. They have all sorts of Defiant detectors and stuff. So yeah. They also have Eufy, Ring, mostly Ring. They have Blink. They have Arlo. So yeah. And they just have some different lights right there. And they have a bunch of replacement motion sensors. They have just normal fixtures. They have solar fixtures and stuff like that. So yeah. But I like these older style, the ones that you can remove the bulbs and stuff. So yeah. So that's the one that I like. Right there. So yeah. And they have these. All sorts of wall lights. They have exit lights. So yeah. That's all for today. They also have light bulbs. Bunch of light bulbs. So yeah. See you on the next video.